Okay, we got the new pressure cutoff switch mounted and wired in, and the new gauge in. This is a 40-60, by the way, 40 off, 60 off relay. I thought it was 30-50, but no, it's 40-60. When I went to the store, I just bought the same model number of Square D relay that was in there, and away we go. Very likely, if I could have gotten all the shmoo out, smooth. Let me show you smooth. This is the smooth that came out of the top of that 1/4 inch nipple. Just a big slurry of slime, and it looks like rust, but I'm going to let it dry a little bit. It may be very fine sand. Um, it may be prudent to put some kind of filtering system up here in the line from the pump into the home. I've thought about it anyway. When I first moved in here, the um, toilet bowls, I replumbed the toilet bowls, and there was very light sand in the bottom of those. So I suspicion that there's some small grit going through the system, very small grit, although it is kind of rusty in color. But I don't know where the rust to be coming from, unless it be coming from the pipe itself, or maybe this T down here. But you wouldn't think that any particles coming off of that would exist there. You'd think that they just get washed down the pipe, but who knows? It's just interesting that all that got driven up into that into that relay, which doesn't make any sense at all. Why would that go up into the relay? Um, or the pressure switch makes no sense. Anybody got any answers to that? Let me know. Anyway, here's the old pressure switch, and you can see inside of it, it's pretty corroded in there. And then on the bottom, you can see, if I get enough light in there so you can see. Let me turn this little hand light on here. See if I can get some light down in there so you can see it. See all the shmoo down in there? That same material. And I'm sure that it's plugging the diaphragm. There, we got the light on it. I'm sure that it's plugging the diaphragm a little bit. And this valve, or not valve, pressure switch is comical. And actually, I think I moved the needle. I think it was stuck on 60 something. We can make it 60 something. Yeah, there's what it was stuck on when I took it out, 60 something. But anyway, it's schmucked up too. Look at the shmoo up in there. I mean, come on. Corrosion, calcium. It looks like calcium deposits. But obviously, it's just if you wanted to convince yourself you got 60 psi when you only have 30, just put this valve in its place, huh? Wow. All right. So there's the end of the video. This project took me about maybe 30 minutes, not including the hour trip up to Lincoln to get the parts. Anyway, and $30. No, about $35. Anyway, so much for that. Another weird week of strange happenings around John's place. Thanks for watching.